Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to show you because I just discovered something with this modal issue. So I'm on this page. Let me scroll all the way to the top, and just to explain to you what's going on. This is not an emulator. This is a screen capture application for my Android device. It's an Android, what is it, Samsung S3. So that's what I'm testing on. Okay, what I have discovered is that, and here was the issue. When, actually, let me real quickly set it back up to how it was when we had the issue, because it's very curious. Now, here, one sec. Let me turn on my Android device again. Alright, let me refresh the page. Wait, why am I clicking on that? Gotta click on my Android device. Alright, refresh. Okay. So, if you can see here, we have, this is just an image, some Yelp button image that I got. Let me scroll down to the bottom of the page a little further. I haven't actually clicked any of the buttons yet, and this was the issue. It happens only on the first run, okay? Gosh, 1 second. Let me pause this for just 1 second. I'm gonna explain something else, but I gotta get the documentation. 1 sec. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so Nifty Lettuce. This is with your fix version 4.0. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I still have. I'll just, for good measure, I'll refresh the page one more time, just to be sure I haven't pressed any buttons. I'm gonna scroll down the page. I'm gonna click one of these Yelp buttons, and you'll see that I clicked it, but nothing happens, right? And I'm gonna scroll up, and you'll see that it's gonna appear in 1 second. It's weird. It acts weird when you do a button, or should I say, an image, an image that you can click, and then it triggers everything else. Watch this though. I'm about to change it. You can take a look at my 1 sec. Let me make this a little better. I was just playing around with it. I was like, well, what can I do? So what I'm gonna do is here's the image, and rather than using an image, I'm just gonna use a standard button. Watch. It's alright. I'm using a standard button now. Let me turn on the device. Now I'm not caching any of the JavaScript. Okay. I'm gonna refresh the page. So it's none of that. Well, you're also gonna. Doesn't matter if I cache any of the JavaScript actually, but you'll see that now I'm using a button. Okay. Now I'm gonna scroll down the page. I haven't pressed any buttons yet. I'm just scrolling down to the bottom of the page, finding another one of these Yelp buttons. Actually, I'll click something in the middle, something right here. Not at the bottom, not at the top. And I'm gonna click the Yelp button. And this time it works. First try. It's bizarre, but it works, and that's a really good thing. So I thought you'd want to note this. So long as you use a button, it appears. So long as you use a button, Nifty Lettuce, your edits work. But if for some reason if you use an image or something else, it's not gonna work. And so that's just kind of strange how that works, but I'll let you guys ponder it. Nifty Lettuce, thank you for the fix. It seems to be working, at least like this. So if anybody else has any other input, I think this might do for the time being, at least as a temporary fix before something else is figured out. Thanks again. You guys have a good night. Cheers.